How to download Valorant on PC or laptop? Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box type in Valorant download and then search for it. Now navigate to this one website, valorant.com. Click on it. Now click on the option play for free. You're gonna find different platform option. Choose the one where you wanna download this. Now click on the option download. The file will be downloaded. Once completion of its download process, you will need to click on the file. It's in the process to be installed. You'll need to wait for a few seconds. Now go ahead and click on the option install. Select the drive where you want to download this file. Then click on install. Once it has been installed, you can provide your credentials or you can create a new one and then log in. Go through the terms and conditions, accept it. And here, Valorant is in the process to be downloaded. Once completion of its download process, you can launch it and play it. So this is how you can easily download and install Valorant on PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.